Today we are making another drill beat. It's an old beat, but I gotta share it with you guys. Now this is I made this using AI. So this is an AI sample, guys. I really like the Marble Floors by Summers, so I really want to capture that vibe. I type in on Suno, and this is what the sample sounds like without the effects. I think. Let's see. Number one, I just EQ it, to remove the bass. Without the bass. Let's see with the bass. With AI, everything is good. You can get free samples. Now this is good. Now and then with the EQ, that's what it sounds like. Okay. You guys are bored. You guys getting bored. So let's move on. Okay, we got the hi-hat again. Using J Cactus. Now this is not free, guys. I think there's also like a MIDI. Yeah. That J Cactus. In the drum kit he provided. So it's way more complicated than I really do make. And this is also from J Cactus, I think. So it should be like this, for trap, and then if you do a drill, then you move a little bit here. Okay, so that's it. And then it's like I was lazy, so I didn't bother adding like a counter snare. I just used the snare, and get a high key to make it as like a counter snare. The most effort I put on. Let me show you guys the kick first. Very simple. And now the LA the soul of the drill beat. I use the J Cactus again, Beastly LA. Pretty good stuff. Okay, so this is like I think I did A sharp minor maybe. I don't know music theory, so. But I started as an A sharp. Okay, sorry guys. And there's a 2 pattern. Now this is because it's so fast, the sliding. So it's just like in this key already, like in this note already. So. And then and then let's keep going. Okay, still the speaker is very fast. Oh. Now you at one, like a one. I don't know what to call it. So it's slower. Now this is the full beat, guys. Let me just skip the intro. It's so gas. Anyways, guys, subscribe for more content. I might be posting stuff every week, I think. Oh, look at that. Oh. Oh, look at that. Oh. We're gonna bring it up with the party with Bobby and Julius. Okay, that's it, guys. Bye.